Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you are watching the post market show. So, what a day in the market. Bank Nifty at all time high. You must have guessed it from the title of the video as well. So, Bank Nifty looking quite bullish, and we talked about this previously as well that once Bank Nifty has broken for 40,500 level, it is supposed to go up, and it took resistance exactly at the last all time high, that was 44,151, so just 0.1 percentage down. That was Bank Nifty. So overall, if you look at the markets, Bank Nifty, Nifty, all of them did pretty well today. So let me open up the chart of Nifty, and then we will go to Bank Nifty. So 15-minute chart of Nifty, we see a good up move in the market. Market opened almost flat, then it continued to move up and up. But then after 215, there was slight profit booking coming in Nifty, and then we saw Nifty falling, but it has closed at 18,384. So it has broken out of this range. So we were talking about this range and the importance of it. So Nifty has finally broken out from this range. So that is something good. And coming to Bank Nifty, let us look at that. Bank Nifty had an amazing day. It opened almost flat. Then at one point of time, it came down slightly, but then it continued to move up and up. It took a resistance at 41,151, which was exactly the last all-time high, and then it stabilized over there. So in the coming days, we have to see if there is an up move, further up move from here, or people will try to book their profits at that level. So that is what we have to look at Bank Nifty. So it is up by 278 points, up by 0.64 percentage. And overall, the broader market also had a pretty good day. This is the Nifty Mid Cap Index, up by 0.7 percentage. Nifty Small Cap is also up by 0.73 percentage. So overall, it was a good day for the markets. Coming to sectors, all the sectors ended in the green. And if you look at the sector which has gained the most, it is Nifty Realty, up by 4.32 percentage. So that is something noticeable. So Nifty Realty moving up with such strength. And apart from that, if you have other sectors to look into, we have Nifty Media up by 2.2 percentage. Nifty FMCG did pretty well, 1.14 percentage up. Then we have Nifty PSU banks moving up, and Nifty Private Bank also moving up. So all the sectors moving up. It was Nifty Energy which ended exactly absolutely flat. So that is the only underperformer you can say. But apart from that, all sectors ending in the green. So that is the current situation. Now coming to the FII DII buying and selling activities, FIIs have bought for around 1600 crores, once again 1685 crore. And if you look at the buying figures from DII, they have also bought for 191 crore. So net institutional figure is again a positive. So that is why the markets moved up so much. Coming to data, we have the Indian inflation data coming out today. It came out negative 0.92 percentage, which is deflation. So that is the current situation. You can see it has continued to move down. So this time it came out negative. That means the prices of the goods in the market has actually fallen from the previous levels. So that is the wholesale price inflation data that has come out. And talking about other news, I don't think there is anything important. Tomorrow we have the UK unemployment rate coming out. So let's look at that, but that is not that important. So apart from that, we don't have much data to look into. And coming to the US market and what to expect for tomorrow. So let us look at US market. It is open right now, and we were seeing US markets were stuck in a range for days and still not moving. Today is the same thing again. You can see it is a doji type of candle forming in S&P 500, almost flat, no such movement. Same with Dow Jones. Last 3 days you can see almost flat markets, no such movement. Nasdaq is slightly up, but again is still stuck in a range. So US markets are still stuck, and US market should take a direction on either side that will trigger the entire global markets to also move in that direction. So this is the current situation of the US market. Coming to VIX, India VIX has risen today once again by 2.49 percentage. It is again back to 13.17. So yesterday the VIX fell, but again today the VIX shot up. US VIX has also shot up by 1.5 percentage, and it is at 17.32. So this is the current situation in the global markets. So talking about tomorrow, we have the FinNifty expiry. So let us start with that. So Nifty financial services. So this is the indices. So it has closed at a, let's see, it is, I think it's an all-time high. Yeah, it is at an all-time high as well. So that is to be seen how this moves. So if you look at, I want to look at intraday levels for tomorrow's expiry. So we can easily say that, one second, Nifty, yeah, this is, so support should be taken around 19,500. It should act as a good support, and on the top side, 19,630, and that looks like the all-time high level, and from there a profit booking set in. So tomorrow, if the trend is on the downward side, you can expect 19,632 to act as a resistance, and on the downside 16,500 should act as a resistance. And if that is broken by any chance, then a very, very strong level of resistance is 19,350. It should not fall below 19,350 unless and until there are extraordinary circumstances. So this is the situation. It looks it was looking bullish, but we see some kind of profit booking setting in today from all-time high levels. So that has to be seen what kind of trend we see tomorrow. So these are the levels. Upside we have 19,632, and on the downside 19,500 first support, and then 19,350 as a second support. So these are the levels to watch out for. Coming to Nifty, Nifty again, this range 18,327, we talked about this. So let's say 18,350, 340 to 350 should act as a support, because markets have taken multiple time resistance over here. So in case there is selling pressure tomorrow, the market should stabilize around these levels, and it should act as a good support. And on the upside, if 18,450 is broken, that is today's high is broken, we can expect the markets to rally towards 18,500 and above. So if you look at the daily charts, let us look at that. So markets have multiple resistance now. At today's high was an important resistance. Next resistance is around, I can say, 18,585. So these levels are to be watched out in case of Nifty. So 15,858, 18,585 on the top, and then 18,327 on the downside. This is the current situation. And again, if there is a massive fall, 18,200 should act as a support in Nifty. Coming to BANKNIFTY, it was looking bullish. So again, today's high is going to act as a resistance, and support levels are 43,750 levels you can take as a support, and then 43,500 should act as the next level of support. So this is the situation in BANKNIFTY. Coming to open interest, let us look at how things are looking over here. Open interest at BANKNIFTY and Nifty. Nifty put call ratio is at 1.27, which indicates bullishness, and we have a good put build up at 18,300. So people are expecting the markets to move up in the coming days, and that is the situation. So on the call side, we have 18,500 acting as a resistance. So these are the levels people are expecting in case of Nifty. And if you look at BANKNIFTY, let us look at that. BANKNIFTY, we have 43,500 as the highest amount of put build up, and we see a good straddle build up at 44,000, which means call and put both have been sold. If you combine both, it is trading around 240 plus 240. So that is around 480 combined premium. Let's say 500 rupees of combined premium. So that gives us a range of 44,500 on the upside and 43,500 on the downside. So this is the situation in BANKNIFTY. Again, it looks very bullish. Put call ratio is at 1.46. So people are expecting bullishness in overall direction in the markets, but in case there is some profit booking or markets fail to close at these levels, we can see a good amount of profit booking setting in as well. That can lead to the markets falling further. So that has to be seen which side the market. So again, be cautious. So the bet is on the bullish side. The data is saying that, but again, sentiments can change at any moment. So that has to be taken care of. So I hope you have a good expiry tomorrow if you are trading for FinNifty, and we'll meet again tomorrow. This is all from my side. Thank you for watching, and have a very good night.